It's got air fry, bake, bagel, which makes a bagel perfectly. Toast, you can change the time, you can change the temperatures. We go to air bake, change the temperature, and then hit this, change the time however you want. There's presets. You can do phase cooking, so you can cook it for, one temperature for 15 minutes and then switch to another temperature. It has a light, which is not turning on for some reason. I guess you got to start it and then turn it on. Okay, there we go. Now, don't mind the dirtiness of this because I use this thing all the time. So, it also dehydrates. I haven't used that function yet, but everything else I've pretty much used, and it's really nice. Oops, let me turn it off. It also comes with two wire mesh trays and then one thicker wire mesh kind of basket, and then of course just the regular for toasting and stuff like that. Like I said, it's pretty dirty. It's not the easiest to clean. That's the only downside that I have about it. It does have a removable crumb tray, and I can get this back in here. My fault. But overall, I just love it. It toasts the back and the front exactly the same. It's very even temperature. I do use a thermometer when cooking my meat, like chicken breast and stuff like that. I haven't put any kind of steak in there because I like to use my cast iron for all my steaks, or go outside, so I haven't done that. But salmon and chicken breast is what I've cooked in here so far. So it's really nice. I just really like it. So kudos. It's awesome.
All right, so we opened the toast and air fryer and oven by Chefman. This is what it looks like. Very touchscreen, baking, convection oven, broil, warm. So far the touchscreen is pretty easily operable. Let's see, bake, dual clock temp, whatever you wanted it. Let's see. Oh, light. Turn the light on. Turn it off. On, off. Start. Obviously this is on my table, so I'm not actually cooking anything right now. But if you open it up, the light comes on. Close it. Stop it. Oh, if you open it and then close it again, it just continues to go right back up. Oh, I only had it on for like 6 seconds and I already feel a lot of heat coming out of here. Comes with this little basket, a couple of these little oh nope, that thing doesn't move. This, which is gonna look like a crumb tray to stick underneath here, I'm guessing. And this little rack. Yeah, it's pretty good size. Nicely made. The only downfall, just opening it up on the package, is the cord is very short. So that's kind of a bummer, but other than that, I don't know, it seems pretty nice. It seems to be working pretty nice. It's very easy to operate. I know I saw some reviews before buying talking about the touchscreen not working the best, but so far so good.
We got our new Chefman air fry oven today, and I am trying the setting for air fry. I had a frozen pasty, and I tried it at 360 degrees for 8 minutes on one side and flipped it in 8 minutes on the other side. So a total of 16 minutes at 360. And I just took it out. It sounded like it was sizzling, so I took it out, set it cut in half, and put it on the plate. And it is. It's hot all the way through, and it was frozen when I put it in. So far I'm impressed. I'm going to leave this other half in here for my husband. He gets in from shoveling snow, and we'll give that a try and another project at another time. Thank you for watching.